Tired of messy counters, tangled cords, and cluttered drawers? We've got smart, space-saving solutions to upgrade your everyday life, one clever product at a time. Let's dive into the genius finds that make home feel organized and effortless. Jewelry Organizer Tidy Jewels, Timeless Glam. This stand-up organizer sorts rings, studs, and chains with ease. Velvet-lined trays and hangers keep your pieces safe and sorted. Display beauty, store smart. Tower Power Strip, vertical charge, zero mess. Multiple outlets and USB ports stacked to save space. Perfect for desks, dorms, and tech-happy zones. Power everything, neatly. Warming mat, cozy comfort underfoot. This low-profile mat gently warms your toes while you work or relax. Energy efficient, safe, and soothing. Warm floors, happy souls. Wardrobe hanging hook makes space where there wasn't. This hook adds instant hanging space inside your wardrobe for scarves, hats, bags, and more. Organize smarter, not harder. 4-claw hanging hook, more hooks, more hanging power. This rotating 4-claw design holds bags, coats, and more in tight spaces. Strong grip, zero clutter, total convenience. Tiny tool, big impact. Side door organizer. Turn unused space into smart storage. This slim organizer hangs on side doors for easy access essentials. Perfect for bottles, snacks, or cleaners. Hidden spot, total game changer. Egg dispenser. Roll, grab, crack. This gravity-fed holder keeps eggs fresh and within reach. Slide-out design saves fridge space and morning time. Fresh eggs, fast. Cable organizer clips, no more cable chaos. Stick these clips anywhere to keep wires neat and secure. Desks, nightstands, or behind TVs. Clean look, clean mind. Click, stick, sorted. Adjustable cable strap. Bundle it like a pro. These reusable straps tame cords, chargers, and small tools in seconds. Adjustable, durable, and endlessly useful. Wrap it, snap it, done. Steel sponge holder. Say goodbye to soggy sponges. This rust-proof holder keeps your sponge dry, clean, and off the sink. Drains fast, stays fresh, no mildew, no mess. Simple upgrade, big difference. Wall hook stick, hang, done. These sturdy hooks go on any surface for instant hanging space, from keys to coats. Organizer bag travel pack like a pro. This travel pouch keeps your toiletries, cables, and essentials sorted. Compact, zippered, and ready to roll. Less digging, more doing. Essential Oil Diffuser. Breathe better, live better. This sleek diffuser fills your room with calming scents. Stress less, sleep more. One drop at a time. Your vibe, your air. Airplane pockets take-off ready storage. Clip this to your seat tray for instant in-flight organization. Hold snacks, phone, or book. No more tray clutter. Fly smart. Travel light. Extension cord holder organizer. Tidy up tangled cords. This wrap and clip tool keeps long cords neat and easy to carry. Garage, office, or kitchen, clean and coiled. No knots, no stress. Compartment Drawer Divide and Conquer. This organizer adds neat compartments to any messy drawer. Pens, tools, makeup, sorted at last. No more junk drawers. Drawer dividers create space where there's none. Slide these in to divide and organize your drawers your way. Adjustable, versatile, brilliant. From chaos to calm in seconds. Desktop glass whiteboard. Write it, wipe it, repeat. This clear glass board sits on your desk for notes, doodles, or to-dos. Modern, sleek, and always at hand. No paper, no waste. Organizer pouch small but mighty. This pouch fits in bags and backpacks to hold tiny essentials, cables, pens, coins, organized in style. Grab and go simplicity. Cord organizer for appliances. Tame the kitchen chaos. This easy wrap holder sticks on any appliance and manages messy cords. No more dangling wires or tangled plugs. Neat, safe, and hassle-free. Wall broom holder. Get your cleaning gear off the floor. This wall-mounted clip holds brooms, mops, and more with a firm grip. Saves space and keeps tools ready. Hang smart. Clean easier. Pan organizer rack. No more stacking chaos. This sturdy rack holds pans upright for easy grab-and-go cooking. No clatter, no scratches, just smart storage. Slide in, stack out. 2 cups toothbrush holder. Double the hygiene. This sleek holder keeps brushes upright, dry, and within reach. 2 cups, 1 tidy solution. Minimal design, maximum freshness. Nightstand with charging station. Power up while you wind down. Charge your phone, lamp, and more, all within arm's reach. Smart meets stylish by your bed. Sleep tight, charge right. Motorized blind shade at the push of a button. Open or close with remote ease. No cords, no effort. Set schedules, enjoy comfort. Luxury, automated. Adjustable nightlight. Glow your way. Dial the brightness to fit your mood or midnight needs. Soft, subtle, and sleep-friendly. The light you didn't know you needed. Bluetooth label maker, label it. Love it. Connect via app and print custom labels in seconds. Tidy drawers, marked cables, sorted pantry. Tap, type, tag, digital display alarm clock. Wake up smart. This modern clock shows time, temp, and more, all in one glance. Bright screen, easy snooze, sleek style. Rise and shine, simplified. Sliding cabinet basket organizer. Reach the back without digging. These pull-out baskets make every inch of cabinet space useful. Glides smooth. Organizes better. No more mess in the depths. Wall-mounted aluminum shoe organizer. Shoes off the floor, style on the wall. This sleek rack holds your pairs in place without wasting space. Strong, modern, and clutter-free. Walk in, hang up. Hanging jewelry organizer, tangle-free treasures. This fold-out hanger stores earrings, necklaces, and more in clear pockets. Find it fast, wear it easy. Jewelry deserves better. Large, clear acrylic riser display like a pro. Raise products, collectibles, or snacks for instant visual appeal. Strong, stylish, and totally see-through. Simple lift, big impact. Tea bag organizer. No more digging for your favorite tea. This clear, compact organizer keeps every bag in plain view. Neat rows, zero mess. Morning made easier. Brew, sip, smile. Craft cart organizer art supplies, meat order. This rolling cart holds tools, markers, and bits in one mobile spot. From sewing to sketching, organize joy. Create clean. Craft smart. Lift up storage bed. Hide the clutter in plain sight. Lift with ease and reveal tons of hidden storage under your mattress. Perfect for blankets, clothes, or secret snack stashes. Smart living made simple. Steamer for clothes. Wrinkles don't stand a chance. This quick heat steamer smooths out fabrics without ironing hassle. Gentle, fast, and travel-friendly. Fresh look in minutes. Automatic water dispenser hydration, hands-free. This dispenser fits standard bottles and pours with one touch. No lifting, no spills. Just effortless refills. Smart sip, everyday ease. Tissue rack, scroll stand. Add elegance to essentials. This scroll-style stand keeps tissues within reach and style. Decor and function in one beautiful piece. Soft touch. Bold look. Which one of these space savers are you adding to your cart? Smart, simple, and seriously useful. These are the tools you didn't know you needed. Subscribe to Things from Mars and hit the bell icon so you never miss a genius home hack.